Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. Please remember to click the subscribe button so we can be family, okay? So guys, on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this great effective hair mask. This is so effective, guys. So that's what we'll be making today. I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own hair mask from maxi hair growth, okay guys? So without much talk, let's get right into it. So to make these hair masks, you will need onion. Here I'll be using 1 onion, and also you will need ginger. Yes guys, so now I'll go ahead and start cutting the ginger into smaller pieces. I'll cut it into the blender because we are going to blend it. Yes, I'll be using ginger because ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp and prevents hair loss. Okay, after that I'll go ahead and cut the onions. I'll also add it into the blender because I'll be blending everything together. Onions provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair and promote hair growth, guys. Yes, so that's why we need onion for this hair treatment. Okay, after adding everything into the blender, I'll go ahead and blend it. Yes, I'll blend without adding water. I didn't add any water, guys. Yeah, so you blend everything until smooth. Okay, and after blending it, I'll transfer it into a plate. So after transferring it into the plate, you set it aside. Then we'll proceed with the next ingredient. So the next one in our list in making this hair mask is avocado pear. Here I have 1 avocado pear. I'll be using half of it because this avocado is so big. I'll go ahead and divide it into 2. Then I'll be using 1. Yes, you need avocado because avocado is a great source of biotin, which can help the hair to grow so healthy, smooth, shiny, and prevent it from breaking. Okay, so I'll go ahead and use my spoon to scoop out the flesh of the avocado. So once that is done, the next one here is banana. I'll go ahead and add 1 banana to the blender. Your banana contains silica, a mineral that helps your body to synthesize collagen and make your hair strong and thick. Yes, so the next thing to add here is honey. I will drop some honey into it. Then after that, we'll go ahead and blend it. Now you cover it and blend. Guys, I blended the onion and the ginger separately because my blender is small. If you're using a bigger blender, you can blend everything together. Okay, no need of blending them separately. All right, you can blend them together. So I went ahead and I blended without adding water. So after that, I'll get a bowl and a chiffon cloth. I'll be using this chiffon cloth to strain it. If you don't have a chiffon cloth, you can use a strainer. Then now I'll go ahead and add the blended onion and the ginger first. Then after that, I'll go ahead and add the blended banana, avocado, and honey. Then I'll go ahead and strain. This process is very important because if you fail to strain it, you will have some particles stuck in your hair. Okay, so it's necessary that you strain it to get rid of any particles stuck in your hair. Okay. this is what we have after straining it. So this is what will be stuck in your hair if you fail to strain it. Okay, it's necessary that you strain it after blending. All right, so now I'll go ahead and mix everything. The watery part you saw was the ginger and the onion. Yeah. So I went ahead and I mixed everything for it to combine properly. Then after that, this is it. It's ready. The hair mask is ready. Okay, you go ahead and apply it on your hair. Okay guys, so I'll be using this one for my daughter. I'll go ahead and apply it on her hair. Then after that, I will cover her hair with a shower cap and leave it for about 2 to 3 hours depending on how long you can wait. Okay, so after 2 to 3 hours, then you go ahead and wash it off. Once you wash it off, you apply your hair cream or hair oil. Please, if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I'm begging, subscribe. Okay, so now I'm done applying the hair mask. I will go ahead and cover the hair with a shower cap and leave it to sit for about 2 to 3 hours before I wash it off. Yes guys, thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.